Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Payoneer. If you're using Payoneer and want a more eye-friendly experience, especially at night, turning on dark mode is a simple upgrade that can make a big difference. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Payoneer app on your phone and log in into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top corner of your screen and tap your profile icon. This is where all your account settings are located. After that, scroll down and tap on Settings. Now, inside the Settings menu, look for options like Appearance, Theme, or Display. Or if you see Dark Mode, tap on it. And that's basically it. That's how you can turn dark mode on Payoneer. Now, if your app supports it, you'll see theme options such as light mode, dark mode, and system default. So just tap on dark mode, and as soon as you select it, your screen should instantly switch to a darker interface. Now, let's talk about what to do if you don't see that option because this happens quite often. Some versions of Pioneer don't have a built in dark mode yet, so instead, you can use your phone system wide dark mode to achieve the same effect. So if you're using iPhone, go to Settings. So close Payoneer and open your settings. Now go to Display and Brightness and choose Dark. If you're on light mode, just tap on Dark to turn dark mode. Now after turning this on, go back and reopen the Pioneer app. If the app supports system themes, it will automatically switch to dark mode.